So, oh, there's an out.
SpongeBob SquarePants.
Out of water. Sponge out water.
I don't know how to sing that part. Oh, I'm bad singing anyway.
SpongeBob SquarePants.
SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob SquarePants.
Oh!
Can I guess what are they?
Wait, no, I was one.
Oh, that's a ball.
Quit shaking the truck.
I know what is that.
I know.
I know what is that.
If you want to know my YouTube channel, it's Bubble Cat. Okay.
Whee!
Can I guess what are those?
Oh my God, that should bite my eyes.
It doesn't break my eyes.
Yeah, we know.
That's
I got good eyes, so I can see better.
I have beautiful eyes. Haha, joke's on you. My eyes are ugly.
Can I guess
sorry.
what are they?
If your eyes are ugly, you can't see better.
Excuse me.
You said your eyes are ugly. You told me that.
I was just joking.
Get out of my way, car. Truck.
Guys,
I'm watching.
Guys, be nice to the neighbors.
Mangoes.
I don't like this.
that's a
You're
ball.
shaking the truck again.
Who, me?
You,
Me?
yeah.
Why?
I can feel
That's a
you
ball.
shaking it.
Oh no, that's a loaded ball.
What about
Can I
this
guess
bomb?
what are they?
That's
Hello,
a
guys. Goodbye, guys. I'm gonna
That's a
explode.
big bomb.
Ow.
That's a little bomb. Small one.
You know, like
Show us some big ones.
Big one.
face. That's a face. That's
Small
a
one.
face.
Big, small. Oh, God.
Small.
That's a little one.
That's a small one.
That's
That's a big one.
That's a face.
They're both small.
Pew.
Oh, that was an awesome one.
That's a face.
That's not a small one or a big one. That's an awesome one.
Should I look
What?
for a big
The awesome one means it's very big.
Should I look for a big one? Oh, I see one.
That is big
Yeah,
bomb.
that one's a big one.
That was a small one. Small one too?
And
Big.
big one.
That's a big one. That's a big one.
Oh,
my
say,
way.
can you see by the bother
That's a small one.
you are?
Small one. Ah,
What's so brown and
It
big.
looks like it's coming.
Small.
I'm sick, so I can't sing.
Big. Coming.
Small. Knew it. Nailed it. Big. Yeah, nailed it. I think it's gonna be
Small.
big. Nailed it.
No, you
Small.
said small.
Ugh.
Small. That was a small one.
Big.
That's a small one too.
Try to get closer. Yeah, you see how big it is.